Chanel, do you remember the first time that you met the Kimballs?
Yeah, I was on my way to my part-time essential worker job that I got during COVID season because we couldn't operate. And we were trying to figure out where to go from there. And so I pulled in and we just decided, you know, we were gonna give you like a bottle of the polish that you needed.
Yeah.
But I was like, we're not detailing until the weekend. You can just keep it for the next couple days if you need to. And one of the things I really appreciated right away was how open everybody was here. And also, that's a big deal for us. I mean, it's just Joey and I in our business, but the only reason we've had any sort of success is because we're looking for people who have the same values as us. And to me, that's transparency and just kindness. So the fact that, I don't know, I could just immediately tell, like, I don't have a problem leaving this angel wax that we just got with you guys. And it's not like I just dropped it off and said, okay, here you go. We ended up talking for a long time.
Almost an hour and a half.
We talked for
I got
a
a little
long
bit
time.
behind that day, but it was well worth it. It was well worth it.
And you know, it just amazed me how right away, just that integrity, that openness, oh, this is what we use, you should try it. And it's just been a really great relationship that's built very fast.